Hi, boys and girls. Mr. Salma again. We're back at our molecule simulation, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like now on a molecular level if we add an emulsifier. So I'm going to add my two molecules that have a low attraction for each other. So molecule 1, think of it like water. Molecule 3, think of it like oil. So let's see again. What we learned in the last video is that these molecules do not mix. They have a low attraction for each other. But if we add an emulsifier, so I'm going to add some emulsifiers, if it lets me. Here we go. And as you can see, think of this emulsifier as like what we talked about in our previous videos, like mayonnaise. It's a bonding agent. It's going to attract to both the oil and the water. So I'll add a bunch. And you can see, I'm going to pause the video. Actually, I'm going to give it a little stir, and then I'm going to pause the video in a minute and point out some things. So as you can see, like right here is a great example. It's bonding the two molecules together. So I have here molecule 1 bonded to my emulsifier, bonded to my oil. So an emulsifier is this kind of bonding molecule that takes two things that normally don't attract and makes them attract. So that's what an emulsifier is. This is what a simulation might look on it. Again, this is on a very, 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 very small scale. So thank you, boys and girls, and please answer the question below.